this video, we will see how to create a profile in Xpert software for the Zenith 06 Pro. First, we click on Settings, then we click on GNSS and Total Stations, and then we click on Add to add a new profile. In the profile page, we can enter the name of the profile we are creating, and then we have to select the right model. In the device page, we have to scan for available Bluetooth devices, and then we select the serial number of the Zenith 06 Pro. Zenith 06 Pro uses internet from the controller to receive RTK correction from the network. In RTK page, we have to create the encrypt server. We can click on Add, and we enter the information of the encrypt cluster. So in this case, we have to enter name, IP address, port, and our username and password. Normally, these information are provided from the encrypt service. Then we can select the mount point. Since the receiver works on 4 constellation, it is recommended to select an RTCM3 MSM mount point. We can proceed with the configuration. Then we can select if we are working with the pole vertically or with the receiver horizontally. The profile has been correctly created, and then the receiver will start in few seconds to receive vertical correction to achieve a fixed solution.